Do you want to create a poll in your Facebook Messenger? Follow these easy steps to create a poll in Messenger. Go ahead and launch your Messenger app. And remember one thing, that the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. Once you are in your Messenger app, if you open any conversation, in conversation, you won't be able to create any poll. Here is no option to create a poll for a single or specific conversation. So in order to create a poll, you have to create a group. So the poll option is only available for Facebook Messenger group. Now let's create a group first. I'm selecting random users. And let's send a message to this group. Once the group created, now tap on this plus icon. And here you will get poll icon. Just tap on it. And now write here your poll question. And add here your poll answers. That's how you will be able to add multiple options. And now tap on create poll. And here we can see the poll has been successfully created. This is how we can create poll in Facebook Messenger. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.